So what do you do with these women? You just get out of bed and leave?
Sure.
Explain to me how you do that. What do you say?
I have an early meeting or an early haircut or an early squash game.
You don't play squash.
They don't know that. They just met me.
That's disgusting.
I know. Feel terrible.
I'm so glad that I didn't get involved with you. Otherwise, I'd just be some lady that you would get out of bed and leave at 3 a.m. in the morning to go and clean your androids. You don't even have a fireplace. Not that I would know any of that.
Why are you getting so upset? This isn't about you.
Yes, it is. You're a human air front for women, and I'm a woman.
Look, I don't feel great about this, but I don't hear anyone complaining.
Of course not. You're out the door too fast.
I think they have an okay time.
How do you know?
What do you mean, how do I know? I know.
Because they...
Yeah, because they...
But how do you know that they really...
What are you saying? They fake orgasm?
It's possible.
Get out of here.
Why? Most women at one point or another have faked it.
Yeah, well, they haven't faked with me, okay?
But how do you know?
Because I know.
Right, sorry. I forgot you're a man.
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. It's just all men say. It's never happened to them. And all women at one point or another have done it. You do the math.
You don't think I can tell the difference?
No.
Please don't be ridiculous.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yes, honey. Oh, God. Yes, I'm coming. Oh, my God. Yes. Ah, thank you.